Kublai pi baro shakatup Khuborjylla ka donbosco media network. Kimat ki bakong san menta ka singi kilong. Na ka jingle klem perkhat ngat Jylla de ha ka sosan. Dang step perngap sya thang ka bolero sarkar bat ka bike hanong po. Ki jing tokit kidang yad bat hadu menta layo pediang khatsan teli ki FIR. Bat ngat kinong let nong wan Shillong Guwahati ha ki jing e. Pat mentang ini phai shaki Khubor ki bakham bnya. Naga jingmi ka kenram ka balaja ka khat khandai tarik Nailar hanong ba Shillong ha ka baki kali Assam kila thut ha ka let ka wan naga jing ya rally ki Samla KSU. Kumta ha ka singi ka babot ar phau tarik ka telong Khubor balayo lum ka yathu ba ki kali Meghalaya ki barung bami ha Assam ru kila sha penwit bat lakhang ki nong let nong wan ki bakeu Shillong.
Present, Java de present.
कब हुआ ये? कहाँ पे हुआ? शिलोंग में? हाँ? कुछ बोले कुछ हादसा क्या? हाँ। कैसा हुआ था सब बोलो?
हम पुलिस बाजार से आ रहा था जो रेलबोंग पॉइंट है डायरेक्ट आसाम गाड़ी रुक रहा था पीछे आगे पीछे मेघालय गाड़ी था डायरेक्ट अटैक मारते 10-15 आदमी मारा है पत्थर से मारा लाठी से मारा तो मेरा गाड़ी में पैसेंजर था लेडीज था मेघालय सरकार का काम करने वाला था एम्प्लॉय था वो लोग पूरा चिल्लाया तब वो चला गया
जो मतलब जो पैसेंजर था
30 जैसा लड़का था जिस वन टाइम था आपका 4:30 रेलबोंग पॉइंट ऐसा किया पावर दिया इसलिए ऐसा कर रहे हैं नहीं तो कैसा कर सकते हैं हम लोग आसाम में तो ऐसा नहीं होता है तो
जो पैसेंजर बैठा है वो लोग का कुछ हुआ?
वो लोग का वो थोड़ा गिलास आया अंदर में जिस वन वो सरकार का आदमी था मेघालय में सरकार काम करने वाला आदमी
मेघालय कोনোবা ডাঙৰ মানুহ আহি কিনে সেক্ৰেটাৰী হ'ল পুলিচ হ'ল লিখি কিনে দি দিব যে নেক্সট টাইম নহ'ব মই ভৱিষ্যমানে এতিয়া পৰা লিখি দি দিম সৰু হ'ব मेघालय सरकार काम में
ये हम लोग से आ रहा था शिलोंग से और ले जाएगा आते समय कुछ खाने का ये हम इधर कौन करके गाड़ी का ऊपर में ग्लास में लात मारा मेघालय मारा तो मेरा केस में 2 केस था उसको भी थोड़ा पीछे का भी ग्लास तोड़ दिया मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ मेघालय सरकार को आप लोग का यूनियन को आप लोग को मेघालय सरकार का दुश्मनी आप लोग उनसे नहीं कीजिए हम लोग को क्यों प्रॉब्लम दे रहे हैं हम लोग आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं दे रहे हम लोग यहाँ से केस लेके जा रहे हैं आप लोग से हम लोग दोस्ती नहीं चल रहा है एक मेघालय खसी का भाई का समान भाई का ऐसा मैदान है हम लोग कभी खराब व्यवहार नहीं करता किसी को गाली गलौज नहीं करता क्योंकि आपको भी चलना पड़ेगा हमको भी चलना है तो आप लोग हम लोग को क्यों प्रॉब्लम दे रहा है आपका प्रोटेस्ट क्या है आपका मांग क्या है आप सरकार से मांगिए ना हम लोग का क्यों लग रहा है हम आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या है अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो भाई हम लोग से बैठो प्रॉब्लम है तो हम लोग साथ में बैठो हम लोग से बात करो तभी तो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होगा किसी का घर तोड़ेगा किसी का गाड़ी तोड़ेगा कभी किसी को मारेगा रास्ता पे ऐसा तो नहीं होता है ना
दिखाओ आपका घाव
ग्लास लगा हुआ है खाली असम का गाड़ी का ऊपर में अटैक करता है क्यों मतलब क्यों क्या हम लोग से पर्सनली दुश्मनी क्या है अगर दुश्मनी है भाई आओ हम बात करो आप लोग का सरकार को हम लोग दोष नहीं दे रहे हैं आप लोग का पुलिस को हम लोग दोष नहीं दे रहे लेकिन उस टाइम पे लॉ एंड ऑर्डर
Hakastep perngap ar phau tarik Nailar hakapor kumba ar baje shiteng AA ar teli ki bolero sarkar berkawai ke baik kila sya thang hadu banda ingkong khat hakiriu baman hatemri bhoi kani kala ja ha office executive engineer water resource kabadon hasaiden hakani ke jingja kawai ke kali bolero kabadon yu number ML014464 berkawai ke bat kabadon yu number ML10C7459 kila sya thang hadu banda ingkong khat kadba kawai ke bolero kabadon yu number ML015359 kala julor malumala ki pulit lambar ki bor pelip ding wood kila let syakate ke jaka ban pelip yakate ke ding Hakan ni kejingja ki pulit kila yo ban pelat ya kawe ka bolero kat ba ya kawe pat ka bolero bat ka baik kila ingkong pom nakani kejingja.
Dale, klik en itu dulu. Superintendent of Police is Khasi Hills ba Vivek Same hakajan mir ar phautarek Nailar ulayat hu hakilat pathai Khubor ba kajing Jylla ki kali kalakot shakalai huwei teli bat khanringot ki breu ki la mansau na kijing kulmar hakapor bayat rally ka Khasi Student Union. Ulaong ka jingkem ki laingut ki nonyalam ka Khasi Student Union kadai halor ka jing penkhen ki kandon an hakapor bayat rally bat ulaong ru hadu menta ki pulit ki layo hadu khatsan teli ki jing ujor FIR halor ki ni ki jingja nalor kata ulaong ya kini laingut ki nonyalam ka KSU la pengat haki kandon an beper kentop ka sho breu bat penjat penpra ya ki tiar kitar bat ki mar ki mata Ulaong ki jing toket ki danyat shaprang bat ki jing thuet ki weipat ki badon kti ha ka jing penkol mar henen kasngi ki danyat shakman.
Yesterday's protest, in fact, it took a different turn. We had actually the KSU had asked for permission and conditions were given. So we believed that it was going to be a peaceful rally since that was asked for, requested for. So deployment was made in strategic points, but it didn't turn out as such and became violent. In that violence yesterday, about 31 vehicles were vandalized, about 16 people injured, 2 vehicles torched. About 15 FIRs we've received 15 FIRs so far, and 3 leaders have been arrested as the whole rally was actually organized by the main leaders. Investigations going on the 15 cases in that to identify the people who actually caused the vandalism and arson also. So we're busy right now in the investigation process.
So how many people are involved?
The crowd we had about 200 bikes, so we need to identify who are the people actually in that crowd who are involved in the various spots where the incidents happened.
So they have been denying that some other people are involved, but DC also said no, we have the evidence to prove that the bikers are the ones.
Yes, the facts speak for themselves. We have enough evidence, enough footage to show that the bikers only were involved in the arson, in the vandalism and the assault.
So the MMPO, Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order, that also will be invoked?
That has been invoked, yes.
So what are the other sections imposed?
Other sections are unlawful assembly, assault, intimidation. Sections.
Coming to the sit-in tomorrow, what is the feedback?
Well, the sit-in, I believe, I see from the papers that they said only the CC members would be sitting. So we have given our views to the Deputy Commissioner, and call will be taken by the Deputy Commissioner.
So there are allegations that excess force was used while raiding the KSC office. Can you update on what exactly happened, transpired there?
Following the arrest of the leaders, the police team had gone to arrest further persons involved in the vandalism, and they were met with stiff resistance. There was petrol bombs thrown at them. So just to disperse the mob, they had to fire stun grenades. But it was not aimed at the public or any private house. It was just to disperse the crowd. And after the
Ki nonglet nongwan Shillong Guwahati bat na Guwahati Shillong kilangat ha kijing haba kinong nya kali na Meghalaya bat Assam kilakhang bat phai kala ya ki kali ki bahyar na Shillong sa Guwahati na Jerabat Khanapara bat ki kali ki ba keu na Guwahati sa Shillong kila sha pen phai kala na kijing kingdom site. Nang nu kami gani kijing ya phoi hapadeng kinong nya kali Meghalaya bat Assam imat kidon kikun hu na baro arliang ki ba thrang ban penwit ya kalet kawan jong ki pat ba hapadeng kini ki artli ki Jylla.
So it's you for your safety only. So you came by the Assam.
The thing is, because it's AS registration, someone might
your own car may be
harm
Ranka.
something, you know, that's why.
That's not matter. Just it's Assam
Better if
register.
you,
If someone
not
take
you going
advantage
to Shillong.
for the stone, so you will take responsibility.
Where is
It's
that
for
exact-
safety.
in Anthony's like,
We'll go by bus.
Yeah. We it's Meghalaya. No, it's already in Meghalaya. It's emergency or what?
exactly Surat Ganjar pa.
Papan phai bet ye stal dong tau ye ro chana stal om sha. Papan phai bet. Papan phai bet.
Pergi sana betul.
Good.
Ki pulit kila kem laingut kinoyalam ka Khasi Student Union hakamiet khat khandai tarik Nailar ki bakan thop yo President Samla Raymond Kharjana penkemen sanmate Vice President Badia u General Secretary u Samla Ruben Najar. Haka step prangap arpau tarik Nailar ki pulit kila rano ikini ki laingut Shillong Kashari District and Session Judge ban bishar halor ki kendram ki balami na kajingat rally bala penlong daka khasi student union. Hadian baladap kajing toket kayeng Kashari kala aibor ki pulit ban set iki khat saus ngi ha judicial custody. Habayakran bar usamla Ruben Najar ulaong baro kani kajing sya kem kinong yalam ka KSU kadai tang kajing sya pharap haki pulit. Ula kenoru kajing kem kinong yalam kadai kajing thumu ka sarkar ban penja yaki mat jing dawa jong ka KSU. Na kajing mi ki kendram haka khat khandai tarik Nailar hanong ba Shillong ki kali na Assam ki sya penthut haka por badang penlong ya kajing yat rally ki Samla Khasi Student Union. Haka arpau tarik Nailar ki kali na Meghalaya ru kila syabat bat sya penpai no tang na Jorabat. Lapalat tang ki kali kit nong pang bandrung sya Guwahati. Ki pulit karib hoy bat ki officer na DC office ru kila hiar sya Jorabat ban yada na kanu ke jinja bas ngosi.
Lihat halor kani kajing sya kem. Ifi kei ke ba? Kana kei ke dah.
Kumba ke jinja menen na batai ki. Ke jinja kari ba ki bikila kem ki dari istu ba kani ada yang kati haram. Moro istu ba hadin berasa kem hadin kiti toket istu ba kadin istu ba nak sarkar ban pendu isu ini problem di sisi donbosco ba hibi isu. Thank you.
Boleh.
Hakamiet khat khandai tarik Nailar ki pulit kilahiar ban talasi ka office jang ka khasi student union ka badon hajayau. Hakani ka jing talasi ki pulit kilasiat ka air penselang khmat ban tem na kanu ka jing yakhi. Kani ka jing talasi jang ki pulit ya kani ka office jang ka KSU kalong hadin balami ki huri hura hanong ba Shillong na ka jing ya rally kani ka seng ki Samla puli. Presiden barem ka KSU uba lambok marngar haka arpau tarik Nailar ula penrem jur ya ka jing le ki pulit. Uba lambok marngar ulaong. Kani ka jingle ki pulit kade ka bamla satiaban pediang. Ka jingwan ki pulit kalong tek lakumba ki tuet ikile no. Ulaong ru ka jingkam iki laingut ka kinong yalam ka seng kamut ba ka jinga ki kan peja. Henry kani kandang aiding susu bat kanang penrehem ban dawajur na ka sorkar ban pentrekam yaki mat jing dawajung ka seng. Ulaong ru ka seng kamdon tang laingut kinong penyat. Henry dagi spangut kinong yalam kidon na ki district baper bat na Central Executive Council.
Dia ka ba nganam la priang. Hoi de si te Khubor trong ka an ki pendep la trong kamram ka trong duty ki chumpi Henry aba wan da bandon kam yenu dari no ke jungi na jing ru kinu wan da kanti. Don Khubor snong don seng Samla. Ki wan kham tam chika snong jung beri so ba ni kom le so ba. Long tek tu mikili wa ki le no. Di na kaliang ki jong kaseng ni nam la ban Khubor ki jingjia batang ko wing pa ban ong golong laingut kelas akem binong yalam kaki isu kamdai badon tang langut tangdon sa sebun ba ki nangyalam na ki distrik nasi isi bher nakasi isi ru bat kani ka jing le chong ka buat chong ka sarkar kamdai pathi puja handai kanang aiding susu bat kanang perhem su jadi takimat jing tawa ki ba kum ka seng ka bu khmat sarkar ina kami nanti ba kita kimat jing tawa khamtam tu santli kimat jwa ba kales kani budi thmai kala bu sa sarkar na so ba kidai ki ji jing tawa ki ba la ban le bat kim disu barang thmai ru dai ngamla ma so thu jaka bakan nang kami nanti bukan address je kita ki isu ki ba ka seng kala bu antara jing bet jing biang jong ka jala jong ka jat penri hunrai ngi pan ban ba sedang bandai wat ka kumbai di kadon ayu selendat ya katang melakukan tip cinglek yang sarkar rai na kaliang jong ngi gunung lambarem le ban ya selok begini lamba mata kani ka jingeki bat ka jingjat dari movement jong ka seng bor ko wai kan peteng yang ni sahman ila ban kem jenu rai ka komsan golong ka sarkar kre ban urban urlong ye tikimat jingdawa ka ba ngirabu mat jong sarkar ngasukwa wan ong kuni sarkar bayalam da ke NPP ya pi la pensiong do kwai ba ko sekretariat ban ikmi nanti ba pen le ya kinu kikam tiba ora ka cimentoy kantam tagi isu ki malabu khmat jak sarkar ndai ai bolong ta i ba ka sedang masuk press ya ke hok copai ba ti was kmi wa namut ba kata kapus chief minister home minister MLA kandai ka permanent post kandai ka tang contractual basis chisin ka sansinan upai ba udon jong ikhtiar bat lapis ngop don ka buah tang ka weng kwa banong kolong ubaret udon jong kala ka jingwan pi pulit min hani chaka kemuya yo pa selok niki marjan pila pan i pi cepat ke yet larung tu tiang gas si ru kimdai wan da kalti kwa dan akor buram yuan da ketensi tensang ka perten ka perngam Nasnoba kani kadai kejiban haras buat dibuat bak nasional. Dia fisno ba fisudon bor hulta kata hakapor besak siap yap di perlu posnam sikapur hakapor bemi di huras pelapang belibat saban mare kelat sadin bagi bor so. Nasno fi akhiro tak ni pos Shillong dekat masabodar kemle ing snoba kani ngilong lapan pediam. Dari naliang juga seng kani jingki juga seng kani ya sakmat
Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills Abhilash Baranwal ulamana yaki pat ba nong song shnong kanong ba Shillong bat eki briu ki ba wanna Khuborjylla banum pen priang yaki Khubor lamler ula kentu ya baro ban ya trelang bat Khubor district ban penne yaka sukasan bat ka jingshngan haka imlang salang Habakran Shakilar Pathai Khubor u Abhilash Baranwal ulayathu Khubor District East Khasi Hills kila penklan ya Khubor Pahra ban penne ya ka Shongsuk Shongshngan haka district baro kawe. Ulapan benaru ban penklan syushu ya ka jingyat Pahra ki pulit haka pormit ban tem bat te lakam ya kinu kiriu shim kabu ki batmu ban pentut ya ka Shongsuk Shongsan. UDC ulapan pau da ka baong Bun ki pat ba ka Meghalaya ki lapan pau ka jing sngosi bar ka jing babe ya ki jing jia haka jan met khat khandai tarik Nailar ki ba mi na ka rally arshaka ka khasi student union haka jing shisha ngingit scam ba ka rally ka de ban long ka basuk basan hendrei wat hapedeng ka jing don ki bor Pahra kala pulam no na ka jing jia ba sngosi ula ong Ngalabatha ya baro ki sektor magistrate ban ya trelang bat ki dor bar shnong bat ki rang ba shnong ban wanra ka jingshania markaliang hapedeng ki bor district bat ki nong shong shnong kanong ba Shillong laong UDC
strict conditions. The rally started from Jayau at around 4 p.m. It ended at Jayau at around 4 p.m. Went around the town and in a series of locations several incidents of vandalism, arson and assault of innocent bystanders were reported and simultaneously, as was reported, there was desecration of statue of national icons like Swami Vivekananda and freedom fighter Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So that's the basically factual account of yesterday what has happened. The district administration strongly condemns what has happened yesterday, because an incident like this, a series of assaults which can vitiate the peaceful atmosphere of the city has no place in a civilized and peaceful society. Incidents like these have a very negative bearing on all the efforts being made by the government of Meghalaya in promoting Meghalaya as not only a national but international tourist destination, which is intricately linked to the livelihood promotion of the people. And not just that, one must understand that an incident like this, I'm not saying that it will have, God forbid it should not have, but may have a repercussion on our people who are living outside Meghalaya. We are already seeing that near Jylla, basically Meghalaya vehicles are being stopped. 1 or 2 vehicles, if I'm not mistaken, have been vandalized. So district administration, the government of Meghalaya is taking it up strongly with the counterpart administration and government. But however, the problem is that these repercussions will further deter the youths of Meghalaya in pursuing employment opportunities outside the state. For example, around 20,000 job opportunities have been recently notified by MSSDS across different parts of the state. We are anyway finding it difficult to mobilize the youth for that, for availing these opportunities. Any possible repercussion in any part of the country will further vitiate that trust. So that's why, we strongly condemn the incident, and finally at the night, the police had apprehended 3 leaders of the organization, and they had also gone to the office of the organization at Jylla, where after the intervention of the community, they came back. So see, first of all, we are aware of the past incidents. However, the government of Meghalaya believes in democratic expression of right of expression of protest. Now, if some organization does apply lawfully for any permission, in the past, I would like to brief the media that many a times these protests, etc., have been carried out without seeking any permission. This time they had sought permission. Simultaneously,
Bat nakitugi Khubor nglapoy siya bakut tarhado bangin daya siyembiang kublay shibun.